previous class, we understand regarding the program structure. So here we are going to understand another interview question regarding program, that is, what is a data type? Why should we use the data type in the programs? So it is very essential. We know that it is very essential. Every programmer knows. So the general definition of the data type is a data type specifies which type of data have to be stored and retrieved from the memory. So that means if I want to store a particular number, I need a data type. Like, so generally CLanguage provides three types of data types for your understanding only. Actually two different data types. So that is like this. Take it like this: numerical, decimal, and categorical. There are three types of data types. So in numerical we have short int, integer, long integer. In decimal we have float and double and long double. And in categorical we have a char. So generally categorical also comes under the numerical only. Okay, these are the nothing but primitive data types. Derived data types is different. So these are the primitive data types. Provided by CLanguage. We also having the derived data type like structure, enumeration, union, etc. We will understand later. So in data types, why should we use a data type? Whenever I use a data type in a particular program like integer. So integer is a data type which specifies that numeric value have to be stored and retrieved from the memory with the help of variable. Without declaration of any variable. For example, a is my variable. I have to declare the variable a. So if I declare a variable, then I can store any value like this 33, but I cannot store any other value like 33.4. I cannot store, it is not possible, because a is an integer data type. So the data type tells that. So the data type specifies which type of data have to be stored and retrieved from the memory. It is not going to be creates any memory. So whenever we declare the variable, then only it is going to be creates the memory. So what are the sizes of the memory? For example, if you declare a under short integer, it is going to be takes 2 bytes. If it is in integer, it is going to be take same 2 bytes. In long integer, it is 4 bytes. So the memory is going to be occupied 4 bytes, and float, it is going to be occupies 4 bytes, and double, it is going to be occupies 8 bytes, and long double, it is going to be occupies 10 bytes, and character, it is going to be occupied 1 byte. So 1 byte. So there are different types of data types